Okay, got my grandma here. I bought this wooden model set of the Avro. I got this back in June, the end of June, but I finished it the other day. I glued it and everything. It was $2.50, and not bad for $3. It's from MonToy, but it's not a registered company. I looked, it's not. They just lied. This model set first came out in 2020, so it's been out for 5 years. I've been making it for 5 years. We're at a holiday rush. Here it is. The instructions right there. It's first push out each pre-stamped piece before assembly. Smooth out all rough edges with the included sandpaper. 3. Get general idea of time. Pick up pieces. If construction joints are loose, use glue. I did use wood glue for the whole thing. And I painted it too, and here it is. Here it is. The two wooden spools, and the wood quality actually improved. It used to be very thin and bad, but now they make it thicker and better. And see, it's a wood. It's wood. See, two wooden spools, and then here's the model itself. I painted it. See, here's some silver paint right there. And I put gloss on it to make it glossy and shiny because it's the Avro. It was new at the time when it came out. Not really weathered that much. Some weathering going on right there with the sun hitting it, but still shiny because they wanted to polish it. It is. This is like a Mach 1 Advanced the version right there. And then the other Machs, the Mach 2, that made it more like more window there and there if it was in production, because I quite complaining not having enough visual right here. But this is the Mach 1 Advanced, so yeah, before the Mach 1 prototype, then they made different ones. So yeah, here it is, really nice. And I painted it, and here right down to CF 105 Avro, and yeah, not a bad model. It's really good if you're on a budget and you can't afford other wooden models and you just want to build something. This is really fun. It was fun to build. It came with an extra piece that didn't go anywhere, but that was funny, but that's okay. At least I had enough pieces for everything, and yeah, it was not bad. It was over, I think it was over 50 pieces, so not bad. Skill level 2, but you don't have to paint it, but I painted it to make it look better than this plain wood. So I painted it to make it look like this. So yeah, I think it looks better when you paint it. There's no decals on it or anything like that, but that's fine. It's just, you just paint it, and yeah, it's really nice. You could display it anywhere, and yeah, not bad. Well, if you want to get it, it's at the dollar store for $3, taxes in. $2.50 without the tax. So not bad for $3. And yeah, and I used paint that came from the dollar store too. I used acrylic paint for this, so acrylic paint was really good, and I joined it up with gloss paint to make it look like the Brio rail, you know, the Brio rail, which is the wooden trains, how shiny it was. Yeah, I glossed it up, and yeah, well, if you want to get this at the dollar store, that's all of me for now. I'm here shutting off. Please comment, subscribe, hit the button, and look at this nice model. Woo! Avro Arrow. Canada's broken dream. Oh, please make it the dream again. Yeah, never break dreams.